Hello everyone, it's Retro Ted here. I'm going to call this part 3. I went on a little journey this morning, 325 miles. I left at 2 o'clock in the morning for a reason. I'm going to show you that reason in a minute. Here's the old 25-year-old Volvo. And she's still, oh, I don't want to go that far. Let's spoil the surprise. At the moment, I'm in very near a little village near North. Where am I? Norwich. So yes, not far from Great Yarmouth. And I'm rather pleased with what I got. Didn't pay a lot for it. I was just really lucky to get it. It's very rare, and it fits in with the Clifford rotavator. Right. I will show you. I'm going to flip you around. It'll all be unedited, this, so this is how it is, as long as it is. But let's have a look, because when we get that engine going, it can go on this as well. Right, we're going to look at something that's rarer than rock and all shit. It dates from the same 1947-ish, 1947, 1950. To late 40s. So I'm going to flip you around. I'll stop this and I'll flip you around. Yes, if you remember in part 1 I said about accessories. Sawmill, various types of machinery. You can run a sawmill off it. All that sort of thing. So, wait for it. I'm going to swing around and show you what I got. I am well over the moon with this. Right, I'm going to swing round. Look at that. We've got a plough. I never thought I'd ever find one. And I never thought I'd find one in this condition. Everything on this trailer is what I bought. I've strapped it all down ready for the journey home. I've actually attached the plough to the gearbox. I've got the handles there. Nice set of handles, really good condition. Everything moves, just needs a bit of grease and everything. We've got the iron wheels. Don't forget that predates the pneumatic wheels. I've got that to put the engine on. I've got a brand new cowling, which is in really good condition. Might just have to do a bit of titivating with it, but yeah, I'm pleased with that. There we go. Let's have a look round. The gearbox on this is a little shorter. These here, you can freewheel them, you pull them out, turn them, but everything works. Here's your dog gears. For forwards and engaging something else, I can't remember, but yeah, I think that might be just forwards. Have a look on the other side. That's where the handles go, and there's the handles there. That still got the old choke cable on. Look at that, complete. Pretty sorted there. This is a museum piece. I really want to use this, have a go on this. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what I got. And yeah, we can, all the adjustments for the plough up here. I'll need to get a new nut and probably a washer. I'll just put it in there and it fits in there quite well. I'll get some oil down there later, just to it looks like an older restoration, but I think it looks brilliant the way it is. Don't want it looking new. Looks like we got bought from an auction. I don't mind about that. I own it now. But yeah, this will clean up quite nice. It's all there. And what isn't here, I've got at home. But yeah, what we do, we'll compare this with what we got. It is really, really heavy. Made in Britain, made to last. So yeah, take you around, but yeah, this come with it. So the engine just fits straight on it, just like the rotavator. So we can take the engine off the rotavator, put on here. We can also, I might, with that thing, if I can make it, we can, it's even got adjustment there. Might be able to make a trailer for it. This is better than the one I've got. Look, it's a cable. Got that. Got that. So haven't got that on mine. So that's in better condition. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Yeah, not so rusted on the top. That's where the air filter there and there. Yeah, really pleased with that. Yeah, exactly the same. I've got the handles for these, the levers at home. But yeah, these are solid. Everything works on it. See, even that. And if they seize out, they're a bugger. But yeah, everything's done on it. But this is rare. But yeah, we've got adjustment here. Possible to take this off, make a panel up, and make a trailer for it, because we've got the toe pin now. And this is rare. You just can't get them. So yeah, we've got all the adjustments. And yeah, we've even got part numbers there, all over the place. But this is just one of the accessories they've done. So anyway, this is part 3, the pickup of the Plough from Norwich. And now I'm going to drive 325 miles all the way back to Paynton. The things we do for our hobbies. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is so rare, I can't believe I've got it. I paid £200 for it, I'll be honest, £200 for this. You won't find them. And I'm just speechless. It's a bit like with AD blowing 8-cylinder. Some of the stuff he's got, they're just one-offs now. This is just a one-off. But they were bought in their thousands. Like, just like what AD does. The like the gear stuff he's doing for the propeller. You just can't find them in that condition, just like this. So yeah, this is a historic Plough that will go with the historic engine, all pre-war, getting Britain back up on its feet again. So yes, I'm going to stop rambling now, and I'll leave you with that view. One Clifford Plough, which will be run by the 1947 JAP 5 engine. Right, I'll just swing you back round. Right, I hope you enjoyed this. It was a bit out of the blue. I've waited 2 weeks to come and pick this up. Didn't want to say too much, but yeah, we'll get that engine up and running. We'll try it on the rotavator, then we'll try it on this and see how she goes. As you can see, I've got the trailer to take it to places where we can try it, show it, everything. So yeah, I am really happy with that. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Subscribing, it's free. Just press that little subscribe button. Notice there's so many people watching me videos not subscribing. So yes, please subscribe. Part 4 will be coming along soon. hopefully we'll have that engine up and running, and we'll carry on with the restoration. As you can see, there's not a lot to do on this, so happy days. Right, thanks for watching. See you all later. Bye.